Hello friends, welcome to Bootcamp. Today in this website designing course, I'm going to tell you how to set your map in your website as you can see here, how to set the pop-up message and how you can use your business mail. As you can see here, as I have logged in it, this is coming, this is the address and pop message is also coming and I also want to set these types of videos and images, all these things as I have told you already and I want to give the activation to my button. Everything I'm going to tell you in this class. These are the small options by which we can create our website attractive. So let's come back to editor. As my website is ready, I'm just going to do edit in the same one. So first of all, if you want to create your business mail, for this, we will go to the setting option. After that, click here on business info. After clicking here on business info, here it will take 2 minutes in loading. And after that, here you will see all the options. We will scroll it down and we will just click here on business email because here I'm going to tell you how to make the business email. Simply click here on business email option. After clicking here, it will show info, Yahoo, your name, whatever you want, you can choose. You just simply connect your domain, and when you will connect your domain name, then it will be there. Like if I want to create my website, www.coacham.com, it will show that. .com, .online, .shop, .blog, all these things are here. So like this, you can connect your websites. You can create your business email as per your name. This is known as this. Okay, but for this, remember you have to connect your domain name, and after that, it is showing mystunningwebsite.com. As my one is CodeChamp, so I can type here CodeChamp.com. HTTP, use this thing you can use. So this is your business email. With the help of this, you can create. Now, the second option is how to set this. For setting the Google Map, what you will do, you will just click here on this plus option. After this, click here on interactive button. After clicking here on interactive button, you will go to the Google Map. Let me click on this interactive first. In the add option, decorative menu bar, contact. This is interactive. When you will click here on interactive button, here you will get Google Map as it's not visible right now for me. So quickly I'm going to search option and I'm typing here Google Map. Yeah, Google Map is here. You will just click here. After this, many maps are here. You can choose as per your choice. As I'm going to choose this one. It is showing here. Click on this setting option. Everything is here. That how to want to make it. Show map, satellite, zoom control, street view control. This is showing everything. Okay, like this, you can do the set of this. Design you can change, animation effect if you want, you can make it stretch, or you can take the help. If you want to set the location, this is the main point. We will click here. It is just mention here your address. Like I'm typing here Indrapuram, title, my office, address, description. Suppose I'm typing welcome to Port Champ. Add a link. How you will get the link? Just come here, go to Google Map. Just open your Google Map and type here Indrapuram, Delhi. Click, it will show. Okay, after showing this, just click here on share option. Simply copy link, come back and click on this add link option. Choose a page, document, email, phone number, Advanced SEO setting. No, I don't want this. I don't want this. Web address I want. Done. Link address is Indra Puram. It is ready. Now you can see it is showing it. When I will start the preview, it is showing address and the location. Like this, you can add the Google map here. Okay. Now, the second thing after adding this, how to make the pop-up messages. I think I make it a little bit small. Now it's big. It's visible properly. Now the second message is pop-up message. For this, what you will do again, you will go to the interactive option. Plus, this is the interactive option. And after interactive option, you should choose Lightbox template. Subscribe, promotion, contact. What you want. I just want to type a welcome message. Welcome. Here you can see many options are here. So I'm taking this and definitely it's paid. It will take 2 minutes. Let it be complete. Whenever anybody will sign in, it will come here. So enter your email here, sign up button, manage Lightbox. If you want, you can manage it. Set triggers, you can set the triggers means if anybody click on the sign up button, then what happen? Then form setting or add new field. I just want to go to the form setting. It is showing get subscriber, manage subscriber means if anybody will click on sign up, it will be visible and I can see who is doing. In the same way, if you want to add one more field, like email is here. I just want to add the first name and the last name also. Then it will also come, as you can see here. So whatever you want, you have mentioned here email, first name, last name, and then submit button. When anybody will click on submit, I can check this. After that, my Lightbox is ready. Now I just want to check the preview. Let me come on the preview button. First of all, you can see the pop-up message has come. Okay. After that, when I will click anywhere on the screen, now my website has come. So if you want that anybody can click on your website and the first the pop-up message will come and then the website will start and he can also see your location. Everything I have told you that how to set the location, how to set the pop-up message and how to create your business mail. I think everything is clear for you. So just try these options with your website. Rest we will tell you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.